So I am almost finished with season 5 of Doctor Who, and really I've been wanting to get a sonic screwdriver lately because they're really awesome and you can hold them in your hand. So the Newbury Comics by my work, I've been looking for like weeks and they haven't restocked any of their Doctor Who stuff, and they don't have any, and it makes me sad. So tonight I was like, okay, well I have one episode left of season 5, so I really want to have a sonic screwdriver so I can hold it while I'm watching it and go. I can't make the noise. No, can't. I don't remember. Anyway, so there's 2 more Newbury Comic stores in Boston, and so I decide to go looking at those stores. But before I do that, I realized I should probably just ask them at the Newbury Comic store in my house, my work, if they have them at the other stores, because they can look, see inventory at all the other stores, blah blah blah. So he goes and looks, and they're all sold out. What? That's not fair at all. So I told the guy at Newbury Comics that I was gonna cry a pool of tears and maybe it would turn into a sonic screwdriver that I could use. So anyway, even though he looked, I still went to the other Newbury Comics because I thought that maybe it was wrong and maybe they had some, but they didn't. And it made me want to cry a pool of sonic tears. So at the last Newbury Comics, in desperation, I found this stupid thing. And it's really dumb. And I hate it. And I don't know why I bought it. But I just wanted something that I had to do. Doctor Who. My fucking purse is full of everything. Oh my god. I bet there's another person here. Oh, my phone is in my pocket. So anyway, I bought this thing. You attach it to your phone. It's a little TARDIS. Okay. So that's cute, right? Doctor Who. Look at it, blah blah. It's crappily painted. So basically, every time you get a text or a call, or you make a text or a call, it does this. Just kidding. You don't drop your phone. This is what it does. It spins around. And it lights up. Fuck. It spins around. And it lights up. And it does that the whole time that you're on the phone. Sort of. It's kind of... It's really annoying. And all I wanted was just sonic screwdriver. You know what? This is not fun. This is called Have a Seizure, please. No, I would not like one. I just want a sonic screwdriver. You freaking jerks. God, how dare you? It's terrible. Oh God, We Like a Television Show was buy all the cool stuff from it and leave nothing for Nicole. It's not fair. I just want a sonic screwdriver. It's not wrong.